What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today we are here to do an unboxing on the Smooth 4 mobile device. This is I saw I've been seeing stuff like this on YouTube for a very long time, and then I saw this one. I saw a couple of reviews on this particular one on YouTube, which is like give you like a really smooth transition, especially when you're doing like vlogs or walking around, and it's very nice. So I've saw a couple of videos. I'm not really a tech girl, I just watch things and I learn. So I saw it and decided to look for it in Holland if I can find it. Luckily I could find it in the Media Markt, and I found this one. I picked this up for 109 euros. So, and you guys know I've been doing a lot of videos with my mobile phone, so if I'm going out to vlog and I want something that's going to give me like a really smooth transition, so that's the reason why I picked this up. I don't know how to use it yet. I haven't used it yet, but I've saw lot of tutorials. I've learned a lot, so I want to come and show you guys what this product look like. Let's do an unboxing. Yeah, so this is what I picked up. You know, I just picked it up because I want to try something new, since I have been doing a lot of stuff with my mobile phone. So I thought this will be handy, will be beautiful to try. So now how we're going to open this one, just peel it off like okay, it doesn't get open. How can it not? Let's just take a scissors and then cut it here open. I think that's much better. So when you open it, yeah, this is the same way I saw it. Because it's kind of so when you open it, this is what you get. So let's close this box, because I feel like we don't need the box. When you open the box, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. This one. So this is the box itself. You got a CD here. You have to download the app on your phone. You got a lot of information, books. Yeah, I thought it was a CD, but it's book with all the information on how to use this product, and if it's guarantee, all the stuff, how to use it, how you can put your mobile phone. And one thing I love about this one is 2-in-1. You can actually let your mobile phone, if you're going vlogging, you can actually set it in a way for vlog. And also if you're going to like YouTube live, you guys can see, you can put your phone this way and this way at the same time. That is what I really like about this. And you can control the phone with all the things that it's on the gadgets. So this is the information. This is something that I really have to sit down and read, but I have watched a lot of tutorials on YouTube as well, because sometimes when it comes to technology like this, for me actually is tutorials. I like tutorials, not reading, because sometimes I may read something I do not understand because I'm not really a tech person. So that's the reason why I prefer looking up for tutorials. So this is what this product is looking like. So when you open it, voila, this is what you get. When you open it, this is what you get. Ooh, this looks like one gadgets in something. So this is what you get. So you get this thing. Yeah, you guys can see it. Why is this so shiny? Or is it because of the heat? I think it's because of the heat. Or that is how it is. So you guys can see, you can control it with all the space in here. You can tighten this one. I've seen on the tutorials, you can put your phone this way. You can there's so many ways to do it. So this is just an unboxing just to show you guys what it is. And you also have a stand where you can connect it, and you can allow the thing to stand like this. And here is what you get when it's done. This is what it looks like, and you can control all. You have to download the app on your phone. That is what I'm about to do. I haven't downloaded the app yet, but you can control everything here. When you download the app, you can control everything here. And this is the charger, so you have to charge this one right here. You have to charge it, and this is what everything looks like. This is what it looks like. It's very beautiful, very nice. Let me check behind the box to see if everything that they say behind the box is complete. Yes, this is everything you're going to get. You get the case. This one is what is inside, and you get this one. You get the, and then you get a charger, and this is just the box. So I have this power bank where I normally charge. I charge it up and then I leave it. I think that would be very nice. I'm just going to charge this one. It's like this. You can charge it first, let it charge completely, and then I'm going to download the app and everything. So like you guys can see, you can just like smooth everything down. This is beautiful. I love the way it looks. I love the way it moves around. You can actually loosen this one, and then it moves around and all of that. I've seen some great tutorials, so I can't wait to try it more. So guys, this is what it looks like. You can actually put it like this to put your phone, or you can put it like this to put your phone like this way if you want to do like Instagram videos, or you want to go live on YouTube. You can just open like this, and you can tighten it at the back after. For example, if I want to film this way or this way, I can just tighten it up at the back, and now you have it like this. You can leave it for it to stay like one position, but then it's like all of this one moves around and kind of control, give you like a really smooth transition. It's also Bluetooth, everything is just in here. I'm really happy. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to give it a try and see how it's perform. I'm kind of happy. This is it's new. It's my new baby. It's my new baby in the house. So yeah, I just want to do a quick unboxing. If you guys have tried something like this before, let me know what you guys think about it. For me, this is my first. I'm definitely going to keep this box because it looks good. The box looks very, very good, so I'm definitely going to keep it, and I'm going to download the app. I'm just going to see how it works, the performance and everything, because I'm super excited. I'm really excited to see how it works. So this is it. I've seen some really great reviews on it on YouTube, so I can't wait to try it out to see how it works for your girl. So I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's see if we can have it like this. Oh yeah, you can put it at any stage you want like this. It's very secure also. It's very, very secure. Very, very secure when you put it like this. Ooh, it's very, very secure, and I love the fact that it turns around. But you can actually tighten it up. If you don't want it to turn around, you can tighten it up. But if you want it to turn around, you can just loosen everything, and you can control everything. This is the on. When you want to take picture, you can actually take picture from here. When you want to record, for example, you put your phone is on this smooth and you want to take a video, you can just press the red button and just record the videos and all of this. This is good. You see how it moves around, like you can, this one can actually loosen up. I've seen in the videos, it can drops down. It goes up and down, ups and down. It drops up and all of that, all of those goodies. You guys see? Yeah, this is what I was trying to do. I think when you can put it and then tighten it, you know, tighten it like that. Like, yes, put your phone and then you can like move around But first you have to put your phone, because you have to first fix your phone in it and then see the balancing position to see how your phone is balancing well, and then you can tighten it up from here. So this is how you go, and then it will just move around like this. If you're filming from this side, you can like, but I think most everybody will be filming from this side. For me, I'll be filming more from this. Love that smoothness. I can't wait to try. I can't wait to really try this. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys like this unboxing. If you guys do, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Team Fullest, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.